Hello, I'm Brooks Keel, the President of Augusta University, and this is Monday, September 21st, 2020, and is our 6th Campus Weekly COVID-19 update. Today starts our 7th week of classes. Today we send our thoughts to everyone who was impacted by Hurricane Sally last week and our wishes for a full recovery for cities across our country. For those who helped respond to the flooding and storm damage here on campus and in our community, we thank you for your continuing resilience as we meet all the challenges this semester has brought. In terms of COVID-19, for the week ending at 12 noon on Friday, September the 18th, we report 16 new student and 4 new faculty and staff cases, bringing our cumulative student total to just 130 and our cumulative faculty and staff total to just 57. Again, please remember these cumulative numbers include cases as of August the 1st, which was a little over 7 weeks ago, and many of these individuals who were originally reported as COVID-19 positive have already completed their isolation period. They're healthy, then they're back in the classroom or in the office. We continue to see relatively low rates of transmission, both on campus and in our broader community. And I'm especially proud that the number of student cases we have seen so far remain especially low. Please keep up the great work and continue to take good care of yourselves and of each other. The number of COVID-19 positive patients in our health system has dramatically declined, reaching levels we have not seen since the latter part of June. In fact, last Friday was the second day in a row with no new COVID-19 hospital admissions, a major victory in the fight to slow the spread of this disease in our community. The number of COVID-19 tests performed in our AU Health System laboratories has now surpassed 73,000, and the testing positivity rate, which is a reflection of the disease prevalence in our community, has also shown equally declining trends. All of these metrics are encouraging, but as I have said before, we must remain vigilant. Please continue to follow the 3 W's. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and watch your distance. And as I've said before, folks, it really is just that simple. While we are cautiously optimistic about the downward trend, we must redouble our commitment to prevention efforts as we enter flu season. And as a reminder, it's approaching the time when we all need to get our flu vaccinations. We'll be planning an aggressive flu vaccination campaign across our campus starting in a few weeks, and we will be encouraging all of our faculty, staff, and students to get their flu shots this season. Please stay tuned for more information on how you can get your vaccinations on campus. Keep in mind that the same precautions we're using to avoid contracting COVID-19, that is, wash your hands, wear a mask, and watch your distance, are the same good practices that will help you avoid catching the common cold and the flu. So remember to keep practicing the 3 W's, get your flu shots in order to have a safe and healthy fall. Our work to help Georgians around the state continues. Last week, AU Health System announced a new antibody testing initiative in the hard-hit area of Albany, Georgia, to learn more about how this virus has impacted that community. In addition, AU Health will extend its outreach at the state's capital in Atlanta by offering flu shots to state legislators and staffers in the coming weeks. I want to give a huge shout out to Dr. Philip Kuhl, Vice President and Chief Medical Officer of Augusta University Health System, who late last week received the Community Partner Hero Award from the Red Cross at their annual Heroes Breakfast held virtually this year. As many of you know, Dr. Kuhl has not only been helping lead the COVID-19 clinical response effort at AU Health System, but has become the virtual public spokesperson for AU on this topic. We greatly appreciate Dr. Kuhl and the countless number of healthcare providers and the support staff at AU Health System for all that they've done and continue to do in the fight against the coronavirus. In non-COVID related news, we applaud the work of our College of Nursing, who held an abbreviated Costa Layman Health Fair last week, where farm workers received health assessments and education from an interdisciplinary team of health sciences, colleges, and specialties. We're grateful for everyone who did all the work necessary to continue to provide this incredible annual service during an incredible, challenging time. And as another example of our faculty and staff's ability to adapt, the College of Education announced last week that it's going forward with this annual STEAMify event, but virtually for the 2020-2021 school year. We all look forward to the day when we can see each other face to face, and I appreciate all the work that you continue to do to provide the best educational experience for our students while ensuring the safety of that of our campus community. Thank you all once again to Jaguar Nation for another great week. I can't wait to see what's ahead. Go Jags!